Assalamu alaikum dosto. Today we're talking about ChatGPT. You know it's a smart AI, but did you know it can manage your projects? Yes, it can help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. Imagine this. You have a big project, you need to break it down into smaller tasks. ChatGPT can help you do that. It can even remind you about deadlines. ChatGPT has two amazing features. These are called custom instructions and memory. With custom instructions, you teach ChatGPT how to work for you. You tell it what to do and how to do it. With memory, ChatGPT remembers your tasks. It keeps track of everything so you don't have to. First, we need to set up ChatGPT. Go to the Settings option. Then, click on Personalization. You will see Custom Instructions. Click on it. Now, copy and paste the instructions I'll give you. These instructions will turn ChatGPT into your personal project manager. Now, tell ChatGPT to turn on project management mode. ChatGPT is ready. Start giving it your tasks. Be clear and specific. For example, you can say, add a task to write a report. It's due tomorrow, and it's very important. Section 5, Reviewing and updating your tasks. Want to see your tasks? Just say, turn on project management mode again. ChatGPT will show you your to-do list. It will tell you the name, priority, and due date of each task. Section 6, Marking tasks complete. Finished a task? Great job. Tell ChatGPT to mark it as complete. For example, say mark write a report as complete. ChatGPT will update your list. Section 7, The power of editing. Made a mistake? No problem. You can edit your tasks anytime. Just tell ChatGPT what to change. For example, say change the due date of send email to Friday. Section 8, Limitations and workarounds. ChatGPT is amazing, but it has limitations. For example, it can't send you reminders yet. But don't worry, you can ask ChatGPT to create a calendar file. You can then import this file into your phone's calendar. Section 9, Conclusion. Your project, ChatGPT's command. So there you have it. You've learned how to turn ChatGPT into your project management tool. It's easy and fun. Start managing your projects like a pro with ChatGPT. I hope this helps, Dosto. See you next time.